are here today to introduce you to the highly anticipated Victoria Lakeside Bungalows, a premier development that promises an unparalleled luxury living experience in the heart of Sri Lanka's breathtaking natural beauty. This property development amidst the misty hills of Sri Lanka, just 15 kilometers from the central hill capital Kandy, lies in the town of Digana, which is one of the most scenic areas of Sri Lanka. The property consisting of 17 blocks, out of which 16 blocks are approximately in the range of 20 to 25 per acres, in which the bungalows will be built on. The beautiful architecture giving priority to common spaces with an open concept design boasts of 35% of the property reserved for common spaces with 20 feet roadways. This property, consisting of 579 acres of lush, meticulously landscaped grounds, offering a secluded oasis for the discerning buyers to live within the tranquility. Residents of Victoria Lakeside will enjoy access to a wealth of common amenities, including an infinity pool perched on top of a scenic rock formation, an open-air gymnasium, observation deck and a yoga pavilion. Also within this property lies this 400-meter jogging track that runs along the serene shores of the Victoria Lake, providing the perfect setting for an invigorating morning workout. Another breathtaking facility at Victoria Lakeside is the use of the boating facilities to take a stroll and relax yourself. Each bungalow at Victoria Lakeside has been thoughtfully designed by award-winning architect Madhura Premathilaka, showcasing a stunning Scandinavian-inspired aesthetic design that seamlessly blends with the natural surrounding. With approximately 2,500 square feet of living space, these bungalows boast of 3 large bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, spacious hall and dining with fully fitted pantries and domestic accommodation. The Victoria Lakeside bungalows are designed to be move-in ready with a comprehensive package that includes all necessary furniture, fittings and appliances. Seize the opportunity to embark on a transformative journey at the Victoria Lakeside Bungalows, where unparalleled luxury, breathtaking natural beauty and an unrivaled lifestyle converge. Don't miss out your chance to secure your slice of this paradise.